In November and December of 2021, nearly 30 moms of babies and toddlers attended one of 4 intuitive and expressive painting workshops offered for free to the residents of Prescott and Russell. The purpose of these workshops was to give mothers a creative and positive way to express themselves and a platform to share their lived experience of being a mom during a global pandemic. 24 mothers gave me permission to share their works anonymously so that we may raise awareness of the physical, emotional, and mental load all too often carried in silence by mothers. These are their individual and personal stories told through color, movement, painting, and mixed media techniques.